Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the phone predictable. Change gestures to 3-button navigation or turn off edge swipe gestures so accidental backs stop. Once done, go to battery optimization and exempt Call of Duty Mobile so the system won't kill it mid-match. Next, grant storage and floating window permissions. These keep the game stable and allow resource files to load. Do these first because they eliminate most accidental returns to home and let the next steps focus on software stability. Now you tackle the app itself. Clear cache and, if necessary, app data to remove corrupted temporary files that cause crashes. This does not affect cloud progress if signed in. Then update Call of Duty Mobile and Google Play services and install any Infinix system or GPU driver updates so compatibility improves. After that, open recent apps and lock Codm to keep it alive, and set its notification priority to foreground, so Android treats it as an active process. Finish by reinstalling the game if the issue persists, sign into your account, and backup settings before you remove it. Then test while running minimal apps or in safe mode to see if a background app causes the auto back behavior. Make sure no third-party gesture tools, screen recorders, or floating widgets are active because they commonly send accidental back events. If it still happens, replicate the actions and note timestamps. That helps support or forums pinpoint a reproducible bug quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.